Hello, Reject Nation. It's Greg Alba here.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. It is Morgan.
Morgan.
Oh my God, that dog.
That's not your dog.
No, it's not my dog. It's my neighbor's dog.
We like
But
cats
they also
here.
have like 10 kids next door in a 2-bedroom apartment. So
Dogs and kids vomit.
Speaking of dogs, animals are idiots. A compilation right here.
That's what it's called. Animals are idiots.
Good timing. Good timing, dog. There's the one video I might be acceptable on your background noise on. Boring history here. I've had this video bookmarked to watch for the longest time.
For real?
Yeah, because I go by request, and this video was requested. I've never seen it, but man, that dog's getting on my freaking nerves right now. So.
Kick it. Kick it.
Just go next door. Can I see your dog for a second?
Can I kick your dog?
Can I kick your dog? I feel like I would shut your dog up for a while. I like watching animals do dumb things, so might as well watch it.
Greg, I'm sad.
Let's see how dumb these animals are.
But that's so
Hey, what's
upsetting.
going on, everybody?
Stupid
This is
animals.
Johnny Coulson, all caps, no spaces, and welcome back to another video. Make sure to be subscribed and like the video to be entered in this month's giveaway for a $100 Amazon gift card.
Way too
Now, make
late
sure
on
to
this.
Comment down below saying I subscribe, so I make sure.
Comment,
to now enjoy
We need the
video.
money. That's not real.
No, someone's doing it in the background.
I love you.
How cute. What is that?
Looks like a bird.
I hope it doesn't get smushed.
Or a mouse.
Y'all know what it is, man. It's me and my boy Money June out here. He fearless. He don't care about nothing. Yo, Money June, I'm proud of you, bro. You fearless now. Happy holidays, my boy. You eat straight out the hand now. You just like your pops. We best friends now, bro. Yeah. Yo, my boy, it's about to be Christmas, so I got you some nice kicks, bro. These are new Johns right here, Money June. Yeah, check them out. Check them out.
Eat
They
it.
for you, bro. You think they fit you? You think they fit you? Yeah, check them out.
What is that? Is that
Oh,
dog?
the dog is shitting. Nice. I can't believe I said. Oh! I can't believe I said shitting instead of pooping.
Oh, no way.
Gregory!
Oh my God. We gotta do that to a puppy. Oh, no way.
Sounds like Voldemort. Oh, I can't watch this one.
Watch it, Morgan.
No, she's too into it. Oh, what is that, a monkey?
Chimp.
Oh, no, that is not. Yeah, that was probably poop.
Oh!
God, Grandma. I can't. Oh, I can't.
What is
Oh.
that? Wow. Oh, missed.
Oh, no, a bunny and a cat.
How creepy. Is
Oh my God.
that a real dog's head?
No. I think it's just a dog mask.
What if you really kill the dog and put that mask on?
No. Is that another dog pooping? Yep. He slipped on it!
No!
I'm not laughing because that's happened to everybody, but
He literally slipped. The hidden camera got it.
Do something, cat.
stupid.
Oh no!
Oh, he's peeing on that man.
Is he?
Yes.
To keep him warm?
I don't think so. I think he just decided to pee. Oh, and he didn't know because he's in snow gear.
You can feel it now. Ew.
Where you hit, B?
Oh my god. Aww. Ew.
I like when dogs lick my mouth.
Yeah? Dude, he's probably like so drunk. Oh, that's
man.
so mean. Take the bag off his head. That's so mean. That's animal abuse.
Is it?
Yes. What is that? Oh my god, that's a subway rat.
Oh.
Oh, it's a
Oh
bird.
no, no! Oh, I thought it was a blender. Oh my god, I thought it was a blender.
I like the music. What is that? Oh, a hippo! Oh, a shark.
That shark?
I got that all
on video, buddy.
That's a shark.
Fart noises. Fart noises.
Aww. An owl?
Sure, an hour right now, man. We vibing. I don't got it.
Or did they just find an owl?
I have no idea. Owl gonna fly away?
Now they want runs at better than even time. Oh, no, round about even time.
Aww.
Not there.
I don't like watching the poop come out.
I wish we get like close-up shots on it.
Of the poop coming out?
Just on that, yeah. Like
No.
like as tight as possible.
That's what you know, there's a teaser.
This is like a little morning ritual.
Rhinoceros.
Oh my God.
There we go.
There's the morning ritual. Got one out.
Oh.
She just said, hey, pull my finger.
These humans are being idiots.
Yeah, baby.
Are they like torturing the animal or something?
No.
It smells
This is Kicking It with Kenny.
here now. Let me tell you, that is so funny.
What? I don't get it. That dog's cute.
Oh.
Oh my god, how funny! That was a good time.
See, wasn't that adorable?
It was super joyful.
That was super enjoyable. You don't have a pet, do you?
No, not in my apartment, but I grew up with dogs and
Oh,
cats.
did you? I grew up with cats. Obviously, I'm a cat guy.
We had dogs and cats. We had all of them. We always had 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Is it mean to put a bag of chips,
Yes.
empty one, over a cat's head? Because I've always thought that'd be funny to do to my cats.
I think it's funny until they start to hurt themselves and then they clearly want out of the
that's
bag.
where the funny comes in.
But that's animal abuse.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure that they would arrest you now. They're super serious
But
about stuff like
but
that
if
right
they
now.
never knew.
Well then, I don't know. Just
Do you
don't
have a
call
bag
me-
of Fritos on you?
Don't call 911 and tell Tammy.
I'm gonna submit videos.
Would it be a bag
It was
of Fritos?
me. Follow the clues.
BTK.
Yeah, I'd be like the Zodiac BTK killer.
That balloon one was maybe
the
my favorite.
one with the balloon with the dog. We gotta try that. Doesn't Ashley? Ashley has the little dog, Candy. We gotta tie that little dog to some balloons and see if it goes floating. That'd
She
be
would
so
float.
hilarious.
Candy's so chill now.
Y'all
that you-
float too.
That was an it reference.
Yeah, it was. That was a fart reference.
Why does it never do it?
Why does it never do it when we intend for it? This is comedy gold, people.
It doesn't matter how old you are. A fart sound
Yeah.
will get you every time, and I'm not
Yeah.
sure why.
Because it's just embarrassing. We got to do this to a dog. That'd be so freaking adorable
Let's
to do to a
'cause
pup,
that was
man.
like, and I liked the slow build because it
Yeah.
was just like the dog just standing there, and you're like, oh, how cute.
That video where they're making fun of the dog who showing their teeth and stuff, that amazes me. It's same thing with cats. Whenever my cats are in another room with a new cat, they're just
Do they get like super vicious?
yeah. Like they're so sweet. That scares me with dogs when they do that because dogs seem to look so sweet, but once they get like in fight defense mode, their face changes. It's like they become a totally different animal at that time.
It's like me when I'm mad.
I've seen it.
Have you seen me mad?
Oh yeah.
I don't think
Kinda
that's-
hot.
I don't think that's true. I don't
Gosh.
think you've seen me mad.
Oh my god, it's the hottest thing in the world.
I agree.
I've never seen you mad.
This one I cannot.
Why can't you watch that one with
'cause
the
it's
mouse going in
super-
the person's?
Because first of all, it's a rat.
But I thought you were into like I don't know if it's TMI, but I thought you were into, you know.
Rat porn.
Yeah, that's what I was hinting at.
I didn't know where you were going at all. The only thing I could think of was rat porn. Rats on just climbing.
No, when you
up.
have, you know, you and your boyfriend
You're not allowed to talk to me like this. He'd be very upset.
and the mouse.
I have no idea what you're referencing. If you're referencing something sexual, I don't have that. I don't know what that is.
You know, like when Richard Gere.
Are we talking about Pretty Woman?
You know, I don't talk to you like this off camera.
Yes, I do. He does not. He's actually super, super appropriate.
Yeah.
I really don't know.
When they put a mouse up the other hole. Yeah,
That's a thing?
there are people that do that.
What's that called? Mouse.
I thought it was called the Morgan hand.
Gregory. Oh my god. I'm so not like that.
Can we say your boyfriend's name?
Missionary style.
Yes. Morgan and Bobby. That's where it's at, people.
We're so cute together and in love. We're really not gross out.
Oh, but the one with the chimp or the
I love
monkey
it. They
throwing
got
on the
grandma.
grandma. Oh my, I love how they're just laughing at her.
It was poop.
They got grandma.
It was poop. Is he pooping? He captures the poop in his hand and then throws it?
chucks it, and it got grandma right on the face.
And
Oh
grandma's
my
just
god.
chilling.
That is so gross. Oh, but that one that creeped me out was the one with the guy with the dog mask
Yeah, I
and his
don't
puppy.
understand that one at all.
Oh, that seems
Do you think
disturbing.
it was because he thought the dog was lonely?
I keep wondering if he killed a real dog and wore its
No,
head.
no. I bet you this video is not from America. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but
Yeah, you're insulting every place outside of America by saying that. Oh, but that other guy. I've never slipped on dog poop.
you've never stepped on dog poop.
I've stepped on dog poop. I've never slipped.
I don't think I've ever
Never
slipped
been
on
like,
dog poop either.
whoa, you know.
I've never slipped on dog poop either. I've stepped on it.
That's always the worst, especially when you don't know for a while. Then you've been
And then
walking
you like
around.
think you smell it and you're like,
Like,
what do I smell?
smell
And
the-
you just keep going.
then
And
you
then
like,
you like check.
that panic in your heart, like, oh my god, did I?
Stepped in poop.
I stepped in poop, and it's like you've been walking for a while, so it's like really pushed
in
in,
your
there.
shoe.
Oh god, that's the worst. I never know how to get it out. I once washed it, then dry cleaned my shoe.
Did it work?
It fucked up my dryer, actually. It's not like there's a head rolling around in my
I
dryer.
mean, I used to just like soak the bottom of them in like cleaning stuff and then toothbrush it out.
That's
but,
good. That's good
I mean,
advice right
it's
there.
still-
You don't like when dogs lick your mouth?
No. I don't like anything licking my mouth unless it's
Unless it's your man,
Bobby.
the love of your life.
The love of my
Only he
for
should
real-
lick Morgan's
But he for
mouth.
real.
I'm making that clear.
Only you should lick my.
If you meet Morgan in person, do
And you
not
don't
lick her
me.
mouth.
I don't like dog licks either. Dogs or cat licks anywhere though. Like,
Really?
I don't like. It's like ugh. If like you get a dog that's like an over licker and they lick your hands and your arms.
Oh,
and
I
it's like,
love
just
that.
Say hi to me gently and then like continue with your day.
Especially if it's a dog. I'm taking care of it, licking my mouth.
Really,
Yeah.
I don't like it.
What?
It irks me. I don't know why.
Humans and dogs do not lick Morgan's mouth unless you are Bobby. The nastiest dog there is. Bobby Edner.
Hi.
What? It's appropriate.
I love you. I'm sorry.
Hey, no, I want Bobby to come on this channel.
I know he should. He's super fun.
I want him to come on this channel and take his shirt off. No, no one else should see that.
Actually, yeah, because you know what? I like that he's obviously hot.
Yeah, people hit on him.
Yeah, I know.
He's a really good looking guy.
I like that he's obviously hot because then it's like,
Yeah,
look what I get to come home
That's
with.
what, when my girlfriend gets hit on in public, I like it too.
Do you really?
And then I like getting ragefully jealous and then taking
And then
it
taking
out on
her
her.
home and just
Yeah,
ripping her
yeah.
clothes
Like,
off.
it's because of the way you dress, that's why.
Right. And you hit her.
Yeah. That's when it gets really hot. Then when she calls the cops and I'm talking to them, oh man, does that turn me on? You shouldn't joke like that,
It's only
people.
okay if you hit them during sex.
Apparently, humans are idiots too. Subscribe to The Real Rejects. Click that notification bell.
Oh no.
Follow Morgan Hand on social media. How to Blondes Make a Right on Instagram and How To's of Morgan Ashley on YouTube. Good day, America. We love you.